This meeting is being recorded.
Good evening, or maybe good afternoon, or maybe even good morning, whenever you are. This is another part of Become cTrader Master webinar by TopFX. In today's webinar, we are going to talk about the cryptocurrency markets you can trade on TopFX. So we are going to talk about the cryptocurrency CFDs and the markets that are available on the TopFX, the most popular markets, the most liquid markets available to trade for everyone on TopFX. As you can see, we have a brand new website. The TopFX website is available in English language, and when you go to this website, all you have to do to take a look on the trading conditions for the cryptocurrencies CFDs is, of course, the trading menu, and from the trading menu you have the cryptos. So when you click here, as you can see, we are being redirected to the dedicated page for the cryptocurrencies, crypto CFDs on Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum, and much more. So you are going to enter the world of the cryptocurrency, and this kind of a market on TopFX is available to trade in both direction, in both rising and falling markets with tight spreads and reliable execution. You don't have to set up any kind of a crypto wallet because you are trading crypto CFDs, contracts for difference, and your funds are kept safely in top tier banks. The leverage TopFX offers for the crypto markets, crypto CFD markets, is up to 1 to 10, and there is very good offer for the trading conditions, no records, no artificial slippage or other price manipulation strategies. So you can take a look at our crypto markets. Very, very easy way to capitalize on the price movement of major cryptocurrencies. What cryptocurrency markets then are available in TopFX? Well, the CFDs on Bitcoin, we got two markets here, Bitcoin to American dollar and Bitcoin to euro. CFDs on Ripple, the XRP to the American dollar market. We have CFDs on Litecoin. So the Litecoin is on two markets as well, Litecoin to US dollar and Litecoin to euro. We have CFDs to on Ethereum, again, two very liquid and popular markets, Ethereum to USD and Ethereum to the euro. CFDs on Dash, and the market is Dash to the American dollar, USD, and CFD on Bitcoin Cash. So this market is Bitcoin Cash to American dollar. Please remember the leverage is 1 to 10 on all of this market. So how does this crypto CFD tradings works? Well, the first thing is that when you trade cryptocurrency CFDs, contract for difference, you don't own the underlying asset because the crypto CFDs are traded in pairs, which means that you speculate on the price of the base currency that is supposed to rise or fall against the quote currency. Okay, so here in TopFX we offer cryptocurrency pairs where the base currency is a cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin, for example Litecoin or Ethereum, and the quote currency is a something which is called a fiat currency, for example American dollar or euro. If your analysis, if your prediction is correct, you make a profit, which is the difference between your orders opening and, of course, closing price. So why trade the cryptocurrency CFDs with TopFX? We offer 14 crypto pairs that you can trade with a leverage up to 1 to 10. You don't need the crypto wallet and you pay no transaction fees as you would do it with physical cryptocurrency trading. Moreover, and this is a very important thing, you run no risk of losing your money due to malicious attacks, as it sometimes happens with crypto exchanges or crypto wallets. So I think that's more than enough reasons to start trading the crypto CFDs with TopFX. 10 years of the industry presence as the liquidity provider, very reliable execution with tight spreads, segregated client funds, and first-class customer support. So what is the general specification for the crypto CFDs? We are choosing our platform, which is of course the cTrader, and this is the specification of the crypto CFDs. Bitcoin to euro leverage is 1 to 10, minimum lot size is 1 micro lot. Bitcoin to the American dollar leverage is 1 to 10, maximum leverage is 1 to 10 of course, and minimum lot size is 1 micro lot. Dash to the Bitcoin leverage is 1 to 10, and the minimum lot size is 1 micro lot. Dash to American dollar, the leverage is 1 to 10, and the minimum lot size is 1 micro lot. EMC to the USD leverage is 1 to 10, minimum lot size is 1 micro lot. Ethereum to the Bitcoin leverage is 1 to 10, minimum lot size is 1 micro lot. The same situation is for the Ethereum to the euro, Ethereum to the US dollar. The same situation is to Litecoin to Bitcoin, Litecoin to the euro, Litecoin to the American dollar, and XRP to the euro and XRP to American dollar. So all of these markets here are available in the TopFX, because the TopFX offers you the perfect environment for the crypto CFDs trading by using the cTrader. And of course, this is what we are going to talk about today: how to trade this crypto CFDs using the cTrader. So let me just show you the TopFX cTrader platform. So what we want to do now when we log in to our platform, when we of course, when you want to trade the cryptocurrencies, is that we need to go to the cryptocurrency markets. As you can see, you can find it under the trade, and then when you click all symbols, you have the different markets here: popular market, indices, forex, metals, and then at the almost very end, just above the cash indices, you have cryptocurrencies, and all of these markets available for trade are exactly here. The first market we are going to talk about is the most popular market for trading the cryptocurrency. This is the Bitcoin to American dollar. As you can see right now, this is the trade. This is the chart for the Bitcoin to the American dollar on a daily time frame. Of course, the current price is 52,215.16, and all of the information for the trade specification is available on the right hand side. So we have, of course, minimum charge, one micro lot, one lot size is one Bitcoin. Basically, right now this is the measure of the units when you trade the cryptocurrency CFDs. Minimum trade quantity, one micro lot. Maximum trade quantity is 100 lots. You will be charged swaps when you open a long on short position, and if these positions will be will take more than 24 hours, so it will be overnight position or longer, minus 7.47, minus 7.46. So that's the symbol info. That's all of the information. Most likely, all of the traders will need at one point on or another. The inverted rate of the US dollar to the BTC is, as you can see, shown here. And that's very interesting, because right now the first currency is the dollar, and the quarter market basically is cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, which is why there is so many zeros here, okay? Because this market is being caught by something which is called Satoshi, and the Satoshi is one of the minimum amount of the Bitcoin you can get. For example, in forex, you can divide the value of the currency into the pips, and then even you can divide one pip into points. So the point is the smallest cryptocurrency value, for example, and or amount, let's say, and the smallest amount of the cryptocurrency is one Satoshi. So right now, inverted rate of the USD BTC is 3,307 Satoshi, for example. Now, market hours. Let's just get rid of this so it won't bother us. Market trading hours. As you can see, you can trade the cryptocurrency CFDs almost 24 hours a day. Okay, so the market hours are very, very wide. Trade statistics. If you trade, of course, this market, the trade statistics are for you. Here to see what is going on from the statistic point of view. And the leverage I'm using right now is the leverage 1 to 5. So what we are going to do with the cryptocurrencies is that we are going to talk a little bit about what is the cryptocurrency and what does it mean that one cryptocurrency name is Bitcoin, the other one is Litecoin, the other one is Dash. Let's talk a little bit about the situation with the cryptocurrencies, and let's get to know a little bit more the cryptocurrencies. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to the coinmarketcap.com. This is the one of the most popular website related to the cryptocurrencies, and as you can see, you can go here to check the various statistics about the cryptocurrencies, and even the market capitalization, of course, as well. So let's just click on the Bitcoin, the first one on the top of the list, and all of the stats are being of course are available for you here. This website is free of charge, so you don't need any account, you don't need anything else in order to see all of this statistics. So you have the Bitcoin. As you can see, the current price of the Bitcoin, of course, on the other cryptocurrency exchange, 30,247, and market capitalization, which means how big is the market of Bitcoin, is right now 585 billions, and it gained over 585 billions, and it gained 3.7%. I'm looking for is apparently a little bit, but what we are looking for is a little bit, let's say, explanation of the Bitcoin. So let's click on more info, and but well, this is only the statistics, so nothing much will be if you don't know what the cryptocurrency is, so you won't find anything interesting interesting here on this website. Let's click on the project info, team social stats. No, this is not what we are looking for. So basically, let me just tell you that the Bitcoin is is the most popular and most popular cryptocurrency in the world, the biggest one with the most market capitalization right now. So as you can see, this is the let's say, of course, this is like a daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin, and basically the Bitcoin is used to transmit the value from one person to another without any third party middleman. Let's say it in a very big very big simplification. Okay, so this is the asset. Basically, this is the asset that you are about to trade, the Bitcoin. Let's take a look then at, for example, let's take a look at the Ethereum. Is there Ethereum here? Yes, there's Ethereum, as you can see. And again, let's just use this website for the for a little bit of the example of what Ethereum is. Right now, the price is $1,909, is down 2.88%. Market capitalization of the Ethereum is half of this that is on the Bitcoin, a little bit less than a half. It's 229 billions. It's up 0.67% during the last 24 hours. The Ethereum is the second biggest cryptocurrency in the world right now, and it's very important to notice that this cryptocurrency is the base protocol, or the base cryptocurrency to produce any other maybe not any other, but vast majority of the other cryptocurrencies, because it's based on something that is called smart contract. Okay, then if you want to know more about this kind of the cryptocurrency, this kind of a protocol, you need to dig deeper into the Google, into the various sites, giving you much more explanation related to the smart contracts, proof of work, proof of stake, and general Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you anymore because this is completely new technology, so it's not that easy for some people to grasp it. Nevertheless, all you need to know is that the Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency right now, in the world, in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. That's a very important. So let's just focus on these two informations. And as you can see, the price of the Ethereum is now $1,909. This is the mean price of the cryptocurrency exchanges, of course. So what is the price of the Ethereum to the US dollar right now on TopFX? This is 1,906. So the difference is marginal here between the cryptocurrency CFDs and the price of the cryptocurrency on the values, on the like average price of from the various cryptocurrency exchanges. As you know, the centralized and decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges set all over the world, and what it means as well all over the internet. So those were the two most popular cryptocurrencies you know, in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Let's just switch back into the Bitcoin. So a little bit about the, before we will trade anything on a Bitcoin, just for the educational reasons, of course, purposes. Let me just tell you guys a little bit about the cryptocurrencies and how this cryptocurrency is being used for. So plenty of people have this argument for the cryptocurrency, especially for the Bitcoin, is that the Bitcoin is the new digital gold. Why is that? Well, one of the most important quality of the Bitcoin is that there will be only 21 million Bitcoins in the future. One day in the planet Earth, there will be only 21 million Bitcoins. There cannot be more Bitcoins because the algorithm will not prevent to do this. Okay, which is why there is limited supply of the Bitcoins, which is why it's being treated as the let's say some sort of the safe haven by others, and some sort of the very risky and very profitable trading vehicle for the other people that think that Bitcoin is a new technology that will revolutionize the financial and the economic world of today's markets. Okay, so as you can see, there are different approaches to the cryptocurrencies. There are different qualities of cryptocurrencies, especially the Bitcoin, that is being let's say used in the when the two cryptocurrency enthusiasts meet. So they argue about various qualities of the particular cryptocurrency. We are talking about the Bitcoin as the most popular one. Nevertheless, it's for the very limited period of time, basically during the pandemic era and then post-pandemic era. I'm talking about the COVID, so 2021, 2022, the Bitcoin was very, very highly correlated with the American stock indices, so that means with the stock markets. So it was a positive correlation. So when the stock market goes up, the Bitcoin, the odds for Bitcoin going higher was very, very high as well. These days, this correlation is a little bit off, so it's not that high anymore. So from the level of 0.8, 0.9, now is basically something like 0.6, 0.5. Nevertheless, for the vast majority of traders and investors, the Bitcoin is being perceived like a new asset, new technology, which makes this asset as a risky asset. So when the risk mode is on, Bitcoin is going up. When the risk mode is off, Bitcoin is most likely to go down. Okay, so that's the most popular and the most commonly used correlation of Bitcoin and the other traditional financial markets. That's basically it, if you ask me about the Bitcoins, because this technology, this new technology, market, this new technology device or asset has so many potential use in the modern world that we will spend hours just talking about this. Okay, so if you are interested in the cryptocurrencies, please go ahead over the internet. Plenty of the resources, more or less reliable for you guys to educate yourself. Let me just focus now on the last part of today's webinar, is how to trade the cryptocurrencies. For example, we are going to trade Bitcoin to the US dollar, which can be a part of your trading portfolio, basically. So what you're supposed to do if you want to trade the Bitcoin to the USD, you can use the quick trade panel, of course, as you can see here. So you can sell and you can buy without any problems here. The smallest amount of the Bitcoin you can buy is 1 micro lot. Of course, if you hover around this panel here, there is a context menu that is telling you that your pip value in that situation is 1 cent. Trade value is 302 for the long position. Trade value for the short position is 301. Commission required is $0. Margin required is $60. So we are absolutely okay with this. So let's just take a look here on the trade volume, and let's trade 1 full lot. If you want to trade 1 full lot, as you can see, there's completely different situation, because your pip value is $1. Your trade value is, as you can see, that big. Commission required is still $0. And margin required is $6,000. So if you want to trade 1 lot, that's the situation here. Let's say, for the sake of this educational video, I'm going to trade, let's say, I'm going to trade half of the lot, and I'm going to the I'm going long on this. So I click here on the buy button, and as you can see right now, my order has been opened and confirmed. And in the panel below, which is called Trade Watch, you can see that I opened this order today, half of the lot. I'm long on this position. Entry level was 50,212.01. Take profit, I'm going to change the take profit right now for different number. Let's say I want 200, let's say 200, 2,000 pips, for example, because it's not that much. And I change my protection. There you go. So all of the other statistics are and the things you can do with this trade are here. We've been talking about it in the previous parts of our webinars. You can, of course, take a look at the previous parts of our webinars to see what is that that icon here, what is that icon, and so on and so on. So we are long half of the lot of the Bitcoin. This is daily time frame chart. Let's maybe move on 1 minute. As you can see, no problem to trade the 1 minute chart whatsoever. Here you can trade 1 hour chart. There's no problem here as well. So this is the Bitcoin. Let's trade one more market. For example, let's trade less obvious market, XRP to American dollar. So this is an hourly time frame chart, and let's say I would like to trade in that situation. I would like to trade. We have 100 lots, 200 lots, 300 lots, 1,000 lots. Now the reason for that, if you're asking me, if you go to the active symbol panel, and this is the XRP to the American dollar, okay, you go for the symbol info, you can see that this is the XRP to American dollar. Minimum charge is 1,001. Okay, so that's a very low, because the price of the XRP is not even $1. It's half of the dollar, 0.55. Okay, so the lot size is 1 ripple, commission is still 0, and the minimum trade quantity is 100 lots. So if one lot is 100 of something, so 100 of 100 of something is of course 10 millions, and the maximum trade quantity is 1 million lot. It's all because the number of zeros behind the price of the XRP. So basically, the minimum trade you can do here is 100 lots, which is basically something like in the traditional forex market 1 micro lot. Basically, so this is how it looks like. So maybe 1 micro lot is not that much, so let's trade 1 mini lot. Okay, so this is the one mini lot. So you basically need to divide everything here by four zeros. Okay, so there is no problem for you to trade it. So if I want to, for example, buy this, I'm doing this on that part of this quick trade panel. I'm clicking buy 1,000 units of the XRP. Let me just close this active symbol panel, and as you can see right now, 1,000 lots for enterprise. Take profit price will never be 2,000 pips. So you need to be very careful when you're trading this cryptocurrency market. So please make sure you enter the correct value for the take profit. In our situation, our price for the take profit will be 0.6, let's say 0.6, okay, or maybe 0.55. There you go. No, 0.55. And this is much more like the nice trade, $550. There you go. Okay, and it looks completely different. No, I said it. Okay, it's okay. It's estimated pips. So let's say, okay, the price I have chosen the pips 0.55. There you go. This is what I want to say. That's only $54. Let's say 0.56 for the sake of this example. There you go. Sorry, I've missed the correct window. So right now it's okay. Take profit is 0.56. Entry is 0.51. So as you can see, $44 will be made if I will hit my take profit. Level. So that's not a problem here. And this is how you trade the various cryptocurrencies. Please always be very careful when you are going to particular cryptocurrency. If we go to the dash right now, and what you have to do, always you are going to the active symbol panel and you are looking at the symbol info. As you can see, this lot size is 1 dash, let's say 1 dash coin, or 1 dash as they call it. Minimum trade quantity is 1 mini lot. Maximum trade quantity is 100,000 of the lots. Commission is still 0, so that's fine. We are absolutely okay with this. Let's trade some dash, and as you can see, we will trade let's say 1 standard lot. There you go. For 1 standard lot, as you can see, it's not that much. If you want to trade the 1 standard lot, our pip value is not that big. Let's increase it 10 times. So we are going to trade 10 lots, and we are going into the buy direction. So that's not a problem here whatsoever. And we have the buy position opened. So right now we have 3 orders. We got the Bitcoin, we got the XRP, and we have the dash. Take profit. Let's just for the sake of the educational video purposes, let's just change the take profit level. Right now it's $77. Well, it's a pretty nice level to trade, but let's say that we are going for the $60. For example, $25 will be made on this position if we ever hit the $60 level. There you go. No problem with that whatsoever. Okay, now my take profit is $60. So as you can see, the price must go a little bit above the recent high in order for me to take profit. My take profit is hit, and I make some nice profit. So all of these trades are for the educational purposes only. I stress it again. So I'm just showing you how to trade the cryptocurrency CFDs in TopFX, what you're supposed to take a look at, what are the important informations you're supposed to pay attention to, like for example the volume on a different markets, which is different which is specific and different for for every cryptocurrency CFD markets, and how to basically pay attention to the commissions, which is now 0, and for the margin required to open particular positions. So this is how the cryptocurrency trading, cryptocurrency CFDs trading looks like in TopFX. Those are the markets right now available for trading. So I hope that you found this short webinar educative for you, and you are now feeling a little bit better about the unknown cryptocurrency market capacities. So it will be much more familiar for you during the next time you log into the cTrader in a TopFX and try to trade by your own the cryptocurrency CFDs. That's everything from me this time. Thank you very much for watching this webinar, and let me take this opportunity to invite you for my next webinar from Become cTrader Master Sessions next week at the same time, of course, on the TopFX Global YouTube channel. This is where the webinar will be saved and presented later on. You can of course join this webinar by using our new website. So you can go to the news and analysis. You can go to the website and then join the webinar without any problem. Let me just go to the top of the website. There you go. You go to the news and analysis, and you can see research and education. You go to my name, of course, here, and you can see the webinars available for the Become cTrader Master. And as you can see, there is whole schedule of this webinars here on the website. So if you would like to register for the next webinar, Precious Markets, you can trade with TopFX, and even the next webinar on 24th of April, Useful Indicators for Traders, Fibonacci retracement. Just click here in order to register now for this webinar. Not a problem at all right now. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you guys register for the next webinar. I hope we will see each other soon enough, like next week. Thank you very much. Take care, guys, and bye-bye.